Hey everyone, do you want to watch YouTube videos even without internet? Or maybe you just want them saved right on your phone's gallery? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step by step. There's no confusing stuff, no extra apps, just quick and easy. So stick around because I'll also show you a little trick to get the video straight into your gallery. So first things first, let's make sure that your YouTube app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store, search for YouTube, and check if there's an update button. If there is, tap it. Once it's updated, tap open. Now, pick a video that you want to download. So I'll just choose here a random one for this example, but you can search for anything that you like. And when you find the video, tap on the download button under it, and then choose your preferred video quality, then tap download. And once it's done, go to your profile. It's the little icon at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on downloads and boom, you can now watch the video without internet. But here is the cool part. If you want to save it directly to your phone's gallery, here's what to do. Go back to your profile and tap on your videos. Find the video that you want, tap the three dots on it, and from the menu, select Saved to Device, and just like that, it's now saved in your gallery. And that's it. Now you can watch your favorite YouTube videos anytime, anywhere, no internet needed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.